Once upon a time, in a small village named Lumiereville, a place where the sun always shone and the rivers whispered sweet songs, the villagers led a peaceful life. But they had a secret. Every night, when the moon rose in the sky, a mysterious lantern would light up at the top of the hill. The village children, fascinated by this lantern, would sit on the lawns to watch it, but no one dared to approach. It was said that the lantern was guarded by an old sage named Elian, who had the power to grant wishes from pure hearts. But Elian never appeared, and no one knew how to find him. One day, a little girl named Clara, curious and full of dreams, decided she couldn't wait any longer. She wanted to make a wish to help her village, for the crops were less bountiful that year. So she gathered her friends, Max the Tinkerer, Lila the Dreamer, and Sam the Brave. Together, they decided to climb the hill at dusk. The stars were beginning to shine, and the lantern glimmered in the distance like a silver star. At the top, they found a magnificent silver lantern adorned with precious stones that illuminated the surroundings with a gentle light. "How do we meet Elian?" Clara asked. Suddenly, a gentle breeze arose, and a deep voice echoed, "To grant a wish, you must first understand what a true desire is." Intrigued, the children looked at each other. They took a moment to think about what they really wanted. Clara thought of the flower fields blossoming in the spring, Max imagined wooden toys for all the children, Lila dreamed of rivers full of colorful fish, and Sam wished for endless adventures. "We all want to make our village better," they exclaimed in unison. At that moment, the lantern shone brilliantly. A figure appeared, Elian, the sage with sparkling eyes. "You understand, young friends. Your wish will be granted, but remember that true magic lies in unity and sharing." The children promised to work together to improve their village. Elian raised his hand, and a shower of stardust fell on Lumiereville. In an instant, the fields filled with flowers, the rivers overflowed with fish, and children's laughter echoed in the streets. The next day, the villagers found everything had changed. The crops were plentiful, and joy was everywhere. Clara, Max, Lila, and Sam understood that the true treasure was their friendship and their desire to help others. From that day on, every night, the lantern shone even brighter, reminding everyone that the most precious wishes come not just from desire, but from the heart. And in Lumiereville, the children's laughter echoed forever. And so ended the story of the magical lantern, but the spirit of unity and sharing continued to shine in the villagers' hearts, illuminating their lives forever.